All right, guys. This is a one owner 1963 Impala. This is a Southern car straight out of Georgia. Pretty original, man. Looking down the lines of it, I don't know that it's ever been repainted, but very, very, very nice car. We do have a running video and a video of underneath that I'm going to get posted. Interior looks to be pretty original. You can see that in the corner. It's missing the speaker and the kick panel. I don't know if somebody added one or took one out at some point in time. But other than that, man, the car is a really nice car. Walking around it, don't really see a whole bunch of opportunities in the paint. You got a little few spots like this one right here, which you probably can't even see on camera. But overall, very solid car. We're gonna get this one online today. Probably in the upper 50s, I would imagine 59,995, something like that. But very nice car. We'll get some pictures of the motor, run the video and attach it to the backside of this so you guys will have an opportunity to see it and listen to it run.
All right, guys, let's take a look up underneath this 1963 Chevy Impala. Rear floors, the frame, that's just mud there. As you can see, the body mounts have been replaced on this car. The braces are good. Same here. Braces are in good shape. Frame is in good shape. The front floor pans have been replaced. Just want to make sure we point that out for full disclosure. Somebody dropped new pans in there. New mounts, braces. Same here. It's a really solid Georgia car. Again, this car has never left Georgia. We're gonna clean a little bit of this up, but all you're looking at is good old Georgia clay. '63 Chevy Impala.